Good morning. This is today are 2 weeks since I'm staying home in isolation, and now I get out to go to make some shopping for it, not others. And the city is empty. Some few cars, but it's very sad to see the city empty. Look, nobody on the street, only me, and it's a little bit of wind here, but it's great weather. It's spring. So what can I say? We don't know how. Maybe till 3rd April we have to stay at home in isolation, but depends of the situation in North Italy. Maybe will change, and we will see. Yeah. What else I can say? I hope soon, because I'm really tired and bored to stay home every day. The good thing is that I learned how to spend my time at home, doing workout at home, doing cooking, singing on small, or making TikToks, watching TV series. I hope we will pass faster this time. I really hope, because I'm tired. I'm really tired. Okay, guys, we keep in touch. Take care of you. Stay home and wash your hands. Use a mask like me when you go outside. And what else? Stay safe. That's important. Greetings from Italy, from Cassino, Lazio, Italy. Bye.